In this video, we are looking at ICO OH5 Asgard OH5. I'm not sure if there are anything else in this box or not. I did not ask for anything else, but for a reviewer, when we buy something, they do drop in a couple of smaller goodies inside, like the last time I had that waifu in the zero truth or zero box. I hadn't paid for this, but I'm not expecting anything surprising here. The Asgard seems to be fairly big enough in its own to be solely inside this box, and yes, this is the ICO Asgard OH5. I have had the OH1 and OH10. This is Asgard. ICO Asgard OH5. This isn't exactly a sealed box, but looks fairly new to me. They might have used it for some show or anything like that, but looks fairly new. Asgard OH5. Listen and LV. Okay, listen and leave. So yeah, this is clearly evident that they have used it for some show or anything like that, because you guys can see the orientation isn't exactly right. Reasonable, I have no issues with that at all. These are the IEMs. Let me put this aside. This is the ICO badge or cuffling or whatever you guys would like to call. You guys can see here there are, this isn't exactly a brand new unit. How am I supposed to take this out? Okay, no, there's no need to take that out. So this one comes out. A lot of tips here, you guys can see lots and lots of tips, foam tips. These are all foam tips, olive kind of tips. Wide bore, narrow bore. What is this? This is the cable, I believe. This is the cable. No, there's no cable even. There's just some documentation. There are a lot of negative space here too. Some warranty, customer service card and kind of stuff. No need for this. The cable should be in here. Okay, this is nice. Good looking cable, very good looking. When I saw this cable first, I thought this might be the harder kind of cable, but no, this is fairly supple, very supple, not memory prone. Let me show you guys. Okay, there's definitely a bit of memory, but it is not the bad kind of memory. I do not see it being very memory prone, so looks good. And there's a key ring here to carry this. I'm not sure. And these are the plugs, 4.4 and 2.5 mm balanced, nothing else inside the box. I believe this is simple push and remove kind of stuff. Let's see. I'll have to look into that before I uh, apply even more pressure on it. So this is the unboxing of ICO Asgard OH5. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.